Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Midhar. So are you tired of those endless YouTube ads and looking to get a YouTube Premium without breaking the bank? Well, today I'll show you how to use a VPN to subscribe to YouTube Premium at the fraction of the cost. So let's dive in. So let's start with what is YouTube Premium. Well, YouTube Premium offers ad-free viewing, offline downloads and background plays. However, the subscription price varies by country. For example, in the US, the subscription is around $13.99 per month, but in countries like India or Turkey, the price is significantly cheaper. Here's how you can use a VPN to take advantage of these lower prices. First, select a reputable VPN service with servers in countries where YouTube Premium is cheaper, like India, Turkey, or Ukraine. My personal favorite is ExpressVPN. Download and install the VPN app on your device, open the app and connect to a server in your chosen country. For this example, I will connect to a server in Turkey. To avoid any regional restrictions, it's best to create a new Google account while connected to the VPN. This ensures that your account is associated with the country you have selected. While still connected to the VPN, go to the YouTube Premium and sign in with your new Google account. Click on Try It Free and follow the prompts to subscribe. When prompted for a payment method, enter your credit or debit card details. Some users have reported success using their regular cards while others prefer virtual cards or PayPal. Once subscribed, you can disconnect from the VPN. Your YouTube Premium account will function normally, giving you all the benefits at a reduced cost. So before you move on, keep in mind that using a VPN to access services at different regional prices may violate YouTube's terms of service. So proceed with caution and be aware of the potential risks. So that's it. It's a simple way to get YouTube Premium at cheaper prices using a VPN. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.